Okay, so today on Konbini Quest we're checking out some hamburger potato chips and some cough syrup Kit Kats. I'm really excited about these hamburger potato chips because they're made by Caldi, but they're from a chain called Kua Aina, which I believe is a Hawaiian chain, but it's very popular here in Japan, and their burgers are just incredible. This particular one they have is, well, it's mozzarella and avocado, but it's actually thick cut mozzarella, so I'm not sure if that makes a difference or not. Maybe it just has more of a mozzarella flavor. Well, we're gonna find out. So yeah, they don't really look or smell like much. They seem to be sort of greenish on the bag, but inside, not so much. Well, I'm gonna give them a try anyhow. At first I got a sort of charred kind of hamburger patty flavor, and then it tasted a little sort of, I don't know, buttery, but I guess that's sort of the mozzarella kicking in. I'm not sure if I can taste the avocado or not. That one had a little bit of more of an avocado flavor actually. I'm not sure if you can tell. Some of them may have more seasoning on them or not. I do like them though. A little bit, at first a little bit meaty, but mostly it's kind of a, I don't know, creamy, but kind of, I guess, cheesy flavor of the thick cut mozzarella. And then occasionally you get a hit of avocado. I'm not really getting any tomato or any other toppings, and usually when you get a burger like this, you have to add your own ketchup or mustard as you like. So it's no wonder that they don't have mustard on the chips as well. But yeah, very, very good. I'm very excited to try this. Okay, so the drink I got today, it's very similar to the tea that I had on a previous episode of Konbini Quest. It's clear. This is a company, it's called Irohas. They usually have water, just bottled water, but occasionally they come out with some flavored waters. And this one, it says sparkling here. Incidentally, the tea company that I tried previously, they also have a honey lemon one in there as well that I noticed. But today we're gonna go with this apple. So let's see if it's carbonated. There we go. You can see that fizzing up, but you can certainly hear it. Woo! It smells very apple-y. That's pretty good. It doesn't taste very sweet though. It's just artificial. It says it does not contain juice. So it's an artificial apple flavor, but it's good, it's good. Let's move on to the Kit Kats. Now these came out maybe 2 months ago. They came out strong, and then they kind of disappeared for a bit. But I managed to track some more down, and I'm finally gonna give them a try. So this is, it says it's like a sort of lozenge for your sore throat, cough drop, I guess you could call it. I can open it, there we go. And apparently this guy is, I think he's a sports announcer, and he got a sore throat, so that's why he's the spokesman for this particular Kit Kat. Wow, it smells kind of minty, like when you open up like an Andes mint or a York peppermint patty. It smells kind of like that, sort of minty, but I'm not sure if it'll taste minty or not. Let's give it a try. It pretty much tastes like white chocolate with a hint of mint, you know? It's good, I like it. Right here it says it has 2.1% I guess throat medicine powder that they made it with, whatever that means. So I'm not sure if it's gonna cure your sore throat or not, but it is pretty tasty despite the name. Okay, so there you go. That is the Kua Aina thick cut mozzarella avocado burger and the Kit Kat sore throat lozenge flavor. So yeah, they go well together. I did enjoy both of those. I also really liked this apple drink as well. So all in all, I would say today's Konbini Quest was a success. So thank you everybody for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.